Today's lesson, Iwemie Dene. Homographs, words that have same spellings but different meanings in Edo language. Ikpe mohegbe debai, agbe wanyugani ame. Oha, kata, oha, bride. Ego, money. Ego, horn. Ego, milk teeth. Ako, location. Ako, pepper fruits. Ugie, 20. Ugie, ceremony. Ukpo, year. Ukpo, rank or position. Ukpo, bed. Ukpo, road. Aka, hearth shelf. Aka, trumpet. Ise, amen. Ise, seeds for gains. Eke, egg. Eke, sand. Eke, third day in Edo traditional week cycle. Eke, east in the 4 cardinal points. Agbo, ram. Agbo, herbal mixture. Usi, stash. Usi, fame. Agbada, 2-edged sword. Agbada, flowing robe. Uki, moon. Uki, month. Oe, hair. Oe, outside. Wala o waga wemina, nuwave lelima bugana, wahia wesi. Please share this video so others can learn and do well to follow us. Thank you.